there's a lot of freshers, so this job is for you. So my SOC Labs is basically hiring for the cybersecurity VAPT analyst. VAPT is vulnerability assessment and pen testing. You need to do some sort of pen testing for the client. It is for the freshers, right? And 0 to 2 years of experience is required for this role. If you're a fresher, you can join. Even if you have little bit of experience up to 2 years, you can join this role. And this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. And there is a hack I'll tell you if you want to apply for any of the role. When I send you the mail ID, right? This is the mail ID here. Just search this on Google. You'll get the website URL and somewhere there might be some sort of contact details. So just call them. I have dropped a resume. There is no update. Then probably you'll get a response, right? This is also what we can do. Next opening is for the VAPT analyst. This is a Gmail, right? So guys, make sure whenever you apply for any company, those who are providing Gmail, so just check it at first. 2 years of minimum experience required, up to 5+ years of experience required for this role. This is full time, and this is what you need to do. VAPT again. Okay, you should have knowledge about OWASP top 10, API, network, web, Bubsuit, Netter, Nessus, Metasploit, CH, EJP2, SCP is preferred actually. And this is what you need to mention, right? So that to get a job in this company, right? Next opening is basically require 3+ years of experience. Demisto Technology is basically hiring. It's in Ahmedabad actually. Two openings are there. 3+ years of experience is required. Bachelor or master in cybersecurity will be much preferable. And this is a certain company, so you'll be having more exposure. There might be a lot of project basically. And yes, if you want to apply, this is mail ID on which you need to drop your resume, and this is what they have that you need to add in the subject line, right? Now next opening is again, I guess, oh, this is for developer, window developer, right? But this is like, if you have knowledge of cybersecurity and little bit of development, you can join this role because antivirus, EDR, evasion techniques, all those things are there. Covert strike, hands-on experience, and all those things. So 1 to 3 years of experience is required. By the way, it's in Delhi, so just give it a try if you have resume. Now, guys, next opening is for the offensive security engineer VAPT. 0 to 2 years experience required and 1 to 3 years experience required. Salaries from 3 to 5 LP they will give you, or 4 to 6 LP for the senior role. What you need to do is VAPT again. You can see the scopes here. You can pause this, you can watch, and this is mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? Now, the hack IT is basically hiring once again, so you can just check out this QR code. You can scan and get some more information. By the way, they are hiring for red teamer, right? And this is for security analyst, right? And you can see all those things there, like freshers. Even if you have 1 year of experience, you can join, and up to 3 years of experience, you can join, right? And this is a mail ID on which you can drop a resume. Next is again Talhez Ahmedabad is hiring for this position, so just check it out. Now again, this is for the VAPT engineer. 3 to 4 years of experience is required. It's in Middle East, right? So probably you'll be getting some around 50 lakhs, minimum of 50 lakhs. Probably you'll get there. And Middle East is the location. Oman is where you're going to work. This is a mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? I.net Private Limited is the company name. Next is someone is hiring for application security remedies engineer. 2 to 4 years of experience required. This is like if there is any vulnerability, how to fix it out. So you should have knowledge about all those things. Okay. And then for pen testing minimum, this is next row, like pen testing 150 to 200 is what you can see, and this is the mail ID. That's what we have, guys.